So what is slope? So slope is the angle at which something goes up or down. Okay, so here we have an angle here, and the slope of the hill. The slope of the hill is kind of going down this way, or if you want to measure it this way, there's this angle here, and the slope of the hill is kind of going up. So slope has an angle, but with coordinates, it's really hard to describe things with angles. So what we're going to use is we're going to look at slope as the ratio of how much something goes up compared to how much something goes across, or we're going to look at the rise to run ratio. Okay, so here we have a rise along the vertical, and here along the horizontal, we're going to have a run. Okay, and this ratio is going to tell us at what angle something's going up or down. So the slope is called the rise over run ratio. Okay, we're going to have this compare the rise to the run. So if we take a look at this hill, it's got rise and run. If we take a look at a roof has slope. In this case here, that's how we measure the slope of a roof. It's a rise to the run ratio. So this slope has low slope, so it has a small rise compared to a longer run. Okay, so this slope, this roof here has even lower slope because its run is the same, but the rise is smaller in comparison. Okay, so here we have this slope here. This is a large rise compared to a lower slope. So this is how we measure slope. We're going to measure the rise or the change in the y compared to the change in the run. So we need to find some coordinates to be able to do this. So this slope is really going to give us an indication of the angle at which the straight line is going to go at. And that angle has something to do with the proportion or rate. And that's what we're going to start looking for. And we're going to look at the change in the y compared to the change in the run. And we're going to look at it as a ratio. And that ratio is going to be our slope ratio.